Look, Miss Universe Philippines Iloilo Alexi May Brooks is leading the Bingo Plus Purple Luck of the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 pageant as of May 3, 2024, 6 p.m. today. The top winner will automatically advance to the top 20 semi-finalists on May 22 during the coronation night. So what are you waiting for? If you want your candidate to secure the spot or the official spot on the top 20, just support and vote your candidate by clicking the link provided. And here's the top 7 most voted for Bingo Plus Purple Luck for Miss Universe Philippines 2024 category. Now let's start with top number 7. Goes to Miss Universe Philippines Northern California, Kyla Jen Carter, with 544 votes and still counting. And top number 6 goes to Miss Universe Philippines Bacoor Victoria Velasquez Vincent, with 586 votes and still counting. And the top number 5 goes to Miss Universe Philippines Bantayan Island Jovel Ducay, with 941 votes and still counting. And the top number 4 goes to Miss Universe Philippines Cainta Rizal Stacy Gabriel, with 2,328 votes and still counting. And the top number 3 goes to Miss Universe Philippines Quezon Province Atisa Manalo, with 4,719 votes and still counting. And the top number 2 goes to Miss Universe Philippines Naik Mary Rose Giral, with 4,856 votes and still counting. And the early favorite, goes to Miss Universe Philippines Iloilo Alexi May Brooks, with 11,177 votes and still counting. So guys, ang tanong, si Alexi Brooks na ba ang palarin na makakakuha ng automatic spot sa top 20 semi-finalists ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024? Let's find out soon. Thanks for watching!